So over here you can see that I have posted some assignments in my class right here, like this test and reference material. And let's say what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and delete this. So if I were to click on the three dot button and hit the delete button right here and click on delete, then what happens is that this particular assignment will be deleted, as you can see right here. But let's say you still want to access the content of the deleted item. So as a teacher of the classroom, you can go around and access the class as you wish. So if I were to go around over here and click on the class settings right here, then what happens is that you can go around and scroll down, and what happens is that you can show the deleted items over here just like this. And then you can go around and hit the save button over here. So once you do that, what happens is that you can see that the deleted items get showed up as well. So if I were to go around onto the classwork section as well, then you can see the deleted posts over here just like this and see like what you have deleted as well. Similarly, if I were to go around over here on this particular classroom right here and then delete this, let's say for example I'm going to go around and delete this right here just like this, then what happens is that they get deleted over here. But if I were to go around over here under settings over here and then go around over here onto let's say for example, so deleted items and hit the save button, then what happens is that the deleted items get shown as deleted posts, as you can see just like this. So that is how you can show and hide out deleted items. And if you want to disable the deleted items showing, then you can simply disable that out as well. And that is how you can show and hide the deleted items inside of Google Classroom as a teacher. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.